This $900 that you can see on the screen right now was given to me for free by this app simply by using a code to register. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can get this $900 for yourself in minutes. But before I go over now to show you this step-by-step tutorial, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Samuel, and on this channel I make videos about making money online. So if this is what interests you, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is gonna notify you instantly. And also do well to like this video as you are watching so that more people are gonna benefit from it. Thanks for doing that. Let's begin the tutorial. So once you click on the first link in the description section of this video, you are going to be taken to this interface where you're going to be opportuned to download the application. And as you can see on the screen right now, for Android users, there are two methods to download this application, same as iPhone users, which means that if a method doesn't work, the other will work. So I'm just going to download the Android app locally on my phone right now. And once the download is completed, all you need to do is to install and open the app. And once you open the app, you are just going to click on the create wallet, as you can see on the screen right now. So once you click on create wallet, you are going to be taken to this interface where you are going to set your PIN code. Make sure you input a code you can easily remember, or you even write it down in a safe place. Once that is created, the next step is to generate your mnemonic phrase. And to do that, all you need to do is to check all these white circles as you can see on the screen. And once that is checked, click on generate mnemonic phrase down below, and your mnemonic phrase are going to be generated. And all you need to do is to copy to your clipboard. And don't just copy them to your clipboard, make sure you write them down in a safe place, as they are going to be needed if you want to access your wallet. So once you've written them down, just click on continue and check all these security tips, then click next. So once you click on next, you are going to be opportune to verify your mnemonic phrase by clicking the words in the correct order which they've given you. So once you verify your phrase, you're going to click on next, and boom, your wallet is going to be created successfully. And as you can see on the screen, I have $0. So how do you get this $900 for yourself? This is where you need to make use of the secret code, as I have said earlier. And to do that, all you need to do is to come over to this me section at the bottom of the screen right now. And once you click on that, you are going to click on share with friends. So this code that you are seeing on the screen right now, I'm going to leave it down in the description section of this video. You are going to just copy and paste the code here. And once you have pasted it there, you are going to click on submit, and boom, it's going to say success. And once you go back to your wallet section, just refresh and you are going to see the $900 reflecting on your wallet, as you can see on the screen right now. And to earn more on this application, all you just need to do is to copy your referral code and the link and start sharing it to your friends. So the next question on your mind would be, how do we withdraw from this application? So to withdraw from this application, all you need to do is to wait for this airdrop to get listed. And once this airdrop is listed, you can basically withdraw from this application. So that will be the end of the video. If you have gained value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you instantly. And if you have any question about this application, just leave that in the comment section below, and I'm not going to hesitate to reply your comments. Bye for me, guys. See you in my next video. Peace.